Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you on how to transfer Web3 wallet to Spot wallet. So transferring funds from a Web3 wallet like MetaMask, Trust wallet, or Coinbase wallet to a Spot wallet like Binance, KuCoin, or Kraken, it involves sending crypto from your Web3 wallet to your Spot wallet deposit address. So here's a step-by-step guide on how to do that. So step number one is to get your Spot wallet deposit address. So you just have to log into your exchange account like Binance or KuCoin, and then go to the wallet and then tap on Spot wallet and then go to deposit. So once you go to deposit, just select the cryptocurrency that you want to transfer, and then also choose the network. Make sure that it match with the network used in your Web3 wallet. And then you just have to copy the deposit address shown on the exchange. Now for step number two is to send crypto from your Web3 wallet. So first thing you're gonna do is to open your Web3 wallet, like for example, MetaMask or Trust wallet, and then navigate to the send or transfer section, and then you just have to paste the spot wallet deposit address like we copied earlier, and then select the same cryptocurrency that you chose in step one. And now choose the correct network, like for example, ERC20 for Ethereum, BEP20 for Binance Smart Chain. And then you just have to enter the amount that you want to send and check the gas fees and confirm the transaction. And for step number three is to wait for the confirmation. So the transfer time depends on network congestion on the blockchain used. So you can track the transaction using the Block Explorer. So for Ethereum ERC, Binance Smart Chain, we have all these information right here. Now, lastly is to check your spot wallet. So once the transaction is confirmed, just go to the wallet, tap on spot wallet on the exchange, and your funds should now be available for trading or withdrawal. And that's it. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!